Alright guys, so I have the OnePlus 8 Carbon Bumper Case here. This is the genuine OnePlus case. It is $39.99. I personally bought this actually from T-Mobile and had it shipped to me with 2-day shipping, but you can buy it directly from OnePlus's website as well. Like I said, they're both $39.99 regardless. This will work for the T-Mobile carrier version and also the OnePlus version that you buy directly from OnePlus, and also with the one you can buy from Amazon, but it will not work for the Verizon version because the button layout for the volume buttons are a little off. So if you are looking for this for the Verizon version, you definitely need to make sure that it is specifically compatible with the Verizon OnePlus 8. But I'd like to do a quick unboxing of what the case comes in, and then snap it on and kind of give y'all kind of the quick overview of it, and let you know how it looks. So yeah, so as far as that being said, here is the case, or the packaging. So it's got you can see the carbon fiber case through it, OnePlus branding there, and then of course it says OnePlus 8 5G carbon bumper case. And then of course on the back it's just kind of the generic stuff, but like it says there, $39.99. Yeah, so, and then I've already kind of cut this just a second ago so I could slide this out. So it just kind of slides out there, and then you just kind of pop it out there. So I just kind of put this back in real quick. So as far as the case goes itself, there it is. So it's that, very recognizable OnePlus carbon fiber case. It's got the soft touch, material there, so it feels very, very good in the hand. Especially like if you have like any kind of sweat or moisture on your hand. I think it'll help with getting it a little more tacky feeling in the hand, so it doesn't feel so slippery. But of course, then it's got the OnePlus logo there. You got your cutout for your triple camera setup and the flash. So there's no dedicated just cutout for the flash. It's just one big cutout instead, which I'm okay with. And then on the left side, you got the volume buttons. And then on the right side, you have your alert slider cutout, your power button there. So it's buttons instead of cutouts, of course. On the bottom, you have the Type-C port cutout, the mic, and the speaker grill button, or speaker grill cutout. And then on the top, you got your mic cutout there. And then as far as the inside goes, it still has the carbon fiber look and material, and then of course there it's got the OnePlus branding and everything there, but it also does feel pretty good. It's a little bit different material inside here versus here. It's more smooth out here versus it's a little more harder inside, but it does feel really good in there. Like I said, I mean, even when you slap your case or your phone in there, you're not going to get it scratched up or anything like that. So I usually kind of just start from the left, click in the corners, and then just pop it in. And yeah, there it is on the phone. So you can see that the cutouts are pretty good as far as for the camera goes. It's a baby lip over it, so enough to where if you place it down on the table or a surface, it's going to protect the cameras there and not scratch them or anything like that. And then as far as the buttons go, you can kind of hear the nice tacky click, very satisfying click there. And then the same with the volume buttons, so very good there. We'll do the alert slider. So no issues there, so perfect. And then as far as the top goes, it's kind of hard to see in this angle, but the speaker or the mic dot there is perfectly open and not covered by any obstruction of the case. And then the same, of course, with the ports there at the bottom, and the volume, or excuse me, what am I talking about today? The speaker grill, the Type C port cut out, and then the mic down there. And then as far as the bump or the edges, it does have pretty good little protection there, as far as like if you're putting it face down, it's not having the screen touch the table or any surface. So you do got a little bit of a bump there on both edges, but nothing too crazy. And then as you can see, it kind of just drops off because of course it does have the waterfall curved edge. So of course it's going around the edge, but it's still protecting you there. And then one other thing, what was I going to point out? I don't know, I guess that was it probably. But yeah, I mean, as far as the case itself goes, it's super slim. Feels really, really good in the hand, and just looks good. I mean, I just love the look of that case there. But yeah, so that's the OnePlus 8 Karbon Bumper. So if you are looking for a case and don't mind spending $40, I mean, this is definitely the case to get in my opinion, because it's a damn good case. It feels good, gives you a really good I don't know, just feels good in the hand. So definitely check it out. And yeah, if you buy it or anything, comment, let me know, tell me how you like it, and then please subscribe. Check out my other videos. I did an unboxing and a review of the OnePlus 8. Also did another review of a little more cheaper case that was like $11 on Amazon for this phone as well. So yeah, guys, appreciate it, and have a blessed one.